This is a very interesting 14-in-1 multi-tool. It is for wall prep and repair, drywall, that type of thing, drywall mud. With this tool, it is a putty knife, scraper, crack gouger, nail puller, concave scraper, bottle opener, everything has a bottle opener, paint can opener, roller cover cleaner, a 12mm 10/8/6 wrench, long tooth brush comb, and metal hammer cap. So we're gonna see what those all look like. Looks like the blades lock in. This is by a company called ROLLINGDOG from Amazon. So it's fairly heavy. It has wood scales. Let's fold that up. How do we release? Fold that one up. Folds up pretty good. It has some good weight to it. The tools lock in. There's your bottle opener. Not sure what this loop is other than to pull it out, but nail puller. There's the concave scraper, flat scraper, bottle opener, nail puller. Put that one back in. So there's all your wrenches, long tooth comb. Put that one back. So there's two utilities with it. So somehow in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Maybe they're using the butt end for a paint can hammer. Not sure where all 14 are. We might use this to actually add a 15th. I need to scrape out some weeds between some cement block and a patio. So we're going to try that. But it looks like a decent tool. It would fit in your carrying case or your toolbox pretty easy. Seems like a well-made tool. It's the Doberman 14-in-1 multi-tool. All right, it's raining today, but we're going to see if we can dig out some of these weeds. Yeah, look at that. So it's nice and thick and heavy. Don't have to worry about it breaking off. Whatever you're doing, you can use it for drywall or weeding your patio. Yeah, and that hook is really nice for pulling the weeds right up. Yeah, like that. All right, 15-in-1.